What is Prop 19 and how you can use it to save on property taxes in California? Let's get into it. My name is Cooper Eisenmann. I'm a full-time real estate agent in the Tri-Valley and San Ramon Valley areas of the East Bay Area, and those cities consist of Livermore, Pleasanton, Dublin, San Ramon, Danville, and Alamo. And if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you and ask you to please hit that like button, as it helps my videos to reach more people who are considering selling or buying a home in the Tri-Valley or San Ramon Valley areas. Now, I've been getting a ton of text calls and emails from people just like you who are interested in using me to help them either buy or sell a home, and I absolutely love it. So if you need a realtor to help you purchase or sell a home, or you have any questions about the Tri-Valley and San Ramon Valley areas, I'm always here to help. I'm gonna put my information down here at the bottom. You can reach me anytime, and I always get back to you within 15 or 20 minutes, so it's super fast and super convenient. Now, Prop 19 is a property tax saving strategy homeowners in California can use to pay less in property taxes when they buy a new home. But of course, there are several factors you must meet in order to qualify, but just in the past year, it has gotten easier to qualify, and I want to explain to you what, where, and how in this video coming up next. Now, to start, people who qualify to utilize Prop 19 are any persons 55 and older, severely disabled, or family and victims of wildfire or natural disasters. Now, there are slight differences between two categories, one being any persons 55 and older or severely disabled, and family or victims of wildfire or natural disasters. Now, being most people that I'm seeing utilizing Prop 19 are in the 55 and older or severely disabled category, I am going to focus on the qualifications for them, but I will put a link in the description for qualifications of family or victims for wildfire or natural disasters, so you can read up on that as well. Now, prior to April 2021, before California voters voted to expand the qualifications for Prop 19, any persons 55 and older or disabled had to move within the same county or to one of the 10 approved counties in California. They could only use the transfer one time unless the second transfer was for subsequent disability, and the new home had to be of equal or lesser value up to 110% of new home value. If the replacement property was bought up to a max of 2 years after the sale of your prior home. Now, under the current Prop 19, your new home must be a primary residence. Your new home must be purchased within 2 years of prior sale. Your base tax rate can be transferred to anywhere in California as opposed to one of the 10 approved counties in California. And the new home purchase price can be of equal or lesser value, or anything over 100% is added to the transferred value. That means that if you bought your prior home in 2000 for $400K and you sold it in 2021 for $1 million, you bought your new home in 2021 for $1.2 million, your $400,000 base tax rate on your prior home would transfer up to the $1 million in purchase price of your new home, and the $200,000 difference between your prior sales price and your new home purchase price would be taxed additionally against the base tax rate. For example, if you bought your prior home in 1990 for $400K, your annual property taxes would be roughly $4,400. If you sold that same home in 2021 for $1 million, again, your property tax base rate would still be $4,400. If you bought your new home in 2021 for $1.2 million, your property taxes on up to $1 million would be that base tax rate at $4,400 Plus, you would get taxed additionally on the $200,000 difference of purchase and sales price of $2,200. So your total new annual property taxes would be $6,600. Now, if you are buying a home that's of equal or lesser value than your total base property tax rate from when you bought your prior home would fully transfer into the new purchase. And under the new Prop 19 qualifications, you can use this transfer up to 3 times, whereas before you could only use it once for age, unless the subsequent second use was for disability. Now, I hope this was helpful, and I hope it made sense on how you can utilize Prop 19 to save on property taxes if you're going to be buying a new home in California. I know for anybody who bought their home in 1990 or prior, this could be a huge property tax savings for you. Now, if you need any help or have any questions regarding Prop 19 or how to use it or qualify, or of course, if you need help buying or selling a home, please reach out to me. Again, I'm going to put my information down here at the bottom. I always get back to you within 15 or 20 minutes, so it's super fast and super convenient. And again, thank you for watching.